Now I want you to imagine, what if you can push a button, watch a very simple video, and bam, you make $4 in less than 30 seconds. I mean, how cool is that? In just a moment, I'll show you how to watch a simple video and you can start earning $200 up to $400 quickly. Now I want you to check out all of these real payment proofs right here. And when I scroll down below, you can see here there are literally hundreds and thousands of people that are cashing out real money from this secret website by simply watching videos. Now this is exactly how much money you can earn. When you watch just one video, you can earn about $4. And when you watch 10 videos, you can earn $40. And when you watch 15 videos a day, you can easily earn up to $200. This is absolutely mind-blowing, and all you need is just a smartphone or a computer. And this strategy is 100% free, and it is available worldwide. In just a moment, I'll show you how to register for a free account, and I'll show you which video will pay you the most amount of money fast. And on top of that, I'll show you actual examples and prove on how to get started. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video and pay full attention all the way until the end. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, I want you to go on to google.com and I want you to search on this keyword, which is twitch.tv, and from there, that's going to take you to this page. And as you can see here, we can find different videos and different channels that you can watch for absolutely free. And you can see here, most of these videos, they're actually gaming videos. So we are about to use videos just like this one right here. And we are going to make a lot of money online. This is going to be a super exciting video. Make sure you watch until the end. So right now, I want you to click on this browse button right here. And then when you're going to come over to this page where you can browse on different categories of different videos that you can watch on this website. So from there, when you go down below here, you're going to find different categories of different videos that you can watch. And I want you to focus on this particular category, which is the Fortnite category, because this one is one of the most popular gaming videos right now. So I want you to go ahead and click on this category, and that's going to take you to the Fortnite section. And this section right here has millions of followers. As you can see here, a lot of people are actually interested in watching these videos, and when you scroll down below, you can find even more videos that you can actually watch, and you can make money from all of these videos. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now moving on to the next step, I want you to go onto this website, which is Oki.io. This is going to be the website that we are going to be using today to watch simple videos, and we are able to make a lot of money online. And don't worry, this is actually very simple. And I'll show you everything step by step right on this video. Now take a look at this. This is basically how it works. First off, you have to sign up for a free account on this website, and then you're able to shorten a URL link. Let's say, for example, I click on copy. Just copy this video link, and I'm going to go back to this website and paste the Twitch link right here. And I'm just going to click on this button to shorten the link. Now this is where the magic happens. Whenever people click on your shortened link right here, you're going to get paid per click over and over again. Also, depending on who clicked on your account, you earn a different amount of money. Now let's just say people from Germany, when they click on your link, you're able to earn $4. And when people from the United States, they click on your link, you can earn another set of money. So right now, let's go down below. You can see depending on what country they're coming from. And when they click on your shortened link, you'll receive a different payout rate. And that is the exact strategy on how all of these people right here from different parts of the world. And they're able to make money online, even up to hundreds of dollars by simply sharing a shortened video link right here on this website. Take a look at this over here. This is the number of users right now. They're actively using this website and making money on a daily basis. And they are able to provide you with different payout options for you. including PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, and bank transfer. So right now I want you to comment down below and let me know what your preferred payment method is in your country. With that being said, let me show you how to sign up for a free account, and all you have to do is just click on the sign up button right on top. And then you're going to come over to this page where you can register for a new membership for absolutely free. No investment is needed. So just put in your username and your email address and confirm your password right here and click on this "I'm not a robot" and click on the submit button. As simple as that. Moving on, you're able to log into your brand new account. So right here on the statistics, which is the homepage, you can see how many people actually click on your link and how much money you can actually earn right here on this website. Since this is a brand new account and we haven't shortened any link yet, you can see here $0. So right now I'm going to show you a few real-life examples and exactly how to do this, so make sure you keep watching to see everything. Now first of all, I want you to go back to Twitch TV, and in the Fortnite category, we're going to find 3 videos. Now you can see here, I'll click on this video right there. The first video, the second video, and you can see here the third video. You can see very clearly that I opened up multiple browsers, and we're going to go back to the first video. Now I want you to scroll down below and click on the share button. I want you to copy this video URL link right here. So just click on copy, and then we're going to go back to our dashboard inside our account. And then we're going to paste the Twitch TV link right here on the box. And I want you to click on shorten, and you can see that this website will automatically help us to shorten this link into a much shorter link. I'm going to click on copy right now, and then I want to give you this done for you script right here. This is actually my Fortnite video post where you can simply copy and paste and use it right away, and you can start making money. Now basically, I'll give you a brief introduction about this game, and then I'll say something like this. For more Fortnite videos, click on the link below to watch now. And this is where you're going to paste the shortened link of the 3 videos right here. And by doing that, whenever people click on your link, you will make money. Now let's say, for example, under the first video, I'm going to paste the shortened link right here. So whenever people click on your link, and depending on which country they're coming from, you're earning a different amount of money. For example, people from Norway, when they click on your link, you earn this amount of money. So all you've got to do is just simply repeat the same thing over and over again. Go to the video, then click on the share button and copy the URL link, and then go back to our dashboard, and we're going to paste the new link right here and click on the shorten button, and boom! Once again, the website will automatically help us to shorten the link into this link right here. And then I just have to click on this copy button and go back to our template, and all you have to do is just paste the second link right here on the video number 2, as you can see here. Now if you're still watching this video and following the steps, don't forget to like this video and comment down below, "I'm still learning." Now we're going to go over to the third video and scroll down below and click on the share button once again and copy the video URL link, and just go back to the dashboard and paste the new link of the third video and click on the shorten button, and boom! Finally, this is our third video link, and we just have to copy and paste the link right there into the template. And that's everything you gotta do. That's all you need. You can literally start making money starting today. As always, I'll give you some additional bonus tips at the end of the video. Now I want you to go onto this forum right here, which is forums.pcgamer.com. And this is a very famous and popular forum that people are discussing about different gaming and including Fortnite videos. And the reason why I love this forum is because this is 100% free and it is available worldwide. And there are a lot of active discussions going on and people talking about gaming every single day. As you can see here under the PC gaming discussion, under general gaming, there are a lot of messages right here and a lot of posts too. And let's say, for example, when I click on this link, that's going to take you to this page where you can find different posts. And there are many people writing a very short and very simple post on this forum, and they're getting a lot of views. And there are just so many opportunities right here on this website. Now when I search on the Fortnite keyword, you can see that there are a lot of people discussing and talking about this topic. There's a lot of demand right now in the gaming videos category. You can see here on the Twitch TV, millions of people are following the Fortnite videos. And this forum right here is a very good place that you can copy and paste and share the exact template right here with all the people inside the forum. And whenever people click on any of your shortened link, and the more people click on your link, depending on what country they're coming from, you are able to make money. And that's exactly how all of these people are able to make big money online right here on this website. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next videos.